The American fireworks. Yep. Like Happy America Day.
You're dope. I know. Where are you going? Turn around. Dummy. Whoa.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I like that one.
So you hit something.
Yeah, look at that.
That's rain.
Right?
That looks like rain.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
fireworks.
A lot quieter here, that's for sure.
Hope there's like more bigger ones
There will be.
for fireworks.
Started cake.
Ooh, look at that.
Like a tree.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Right, Lyric? They're so like, yes. Fireworks. Ooh, that's a good one. Look at that one. Yeah, oh, you see Caterpillar? Yeah. Yes. It's so exciting.
Wow.
It is exciting. Look at all of them. Ooh, I like this one. Well, it was like there was like 3 in 1.
I would love to go to a city where they actually pay good money. You know what they have? It's called the Symphony of Light every year in Vancouver, and it's a world competition.
Look at that.
So over
Ooh,
every night,
you like it, Lyric?
Represents. It's amazing.
Say yes.
Absolutely amazing.
Say
Sit
boom.
on the beach and watch fireworks for boom.
Boom.
Yeah, she's in the house now. And in Calgary, during the Stampede, all 7 days, all 10 days of Stampede, they have fireworks.
Ooh, look at those.
My buddy actually just got a job out in Tumbler Ridge, working on the Canadian Rail. So he's out there for out there for 5 months.
It's
good money, man. Oh man, he said he worked 75 hours last week, but he's banking all that money. He's out there for they pay for everything too. They fly him out there.
Look at that, Lyric, eh? They're good ones. Say
He
boom.
comes back after 5 months.
You saying boom?
My friend Mike did that too for he was like 20 and he got some white stuff. That would do it. You're mine.
These are actually good American fireworks. I don't know if they top them. They are, yeah. I don't know. Like last year, I'm not sure about them. They were. Ooh.
I'm good. I'm good.
Aw, that's good to share. Share your blanket.
I'll be good. I'm fine. Thank you so much.
Ooh, look at those ones.